Using an atmospheric humidity curve. Things to remember about the atmospheric humidity curve is that it is showing in grams per cubic meter how much water can be held in the atmosphere at any temperature. The warmer the atmosphere is, the more water it can hold. The colder the atmosphere is, the less water it can hold. So we can use this in two different ways. We can find out the maximum saturation at the point at which the air can't hold any more water, or we can find out by using a little bit of math the relative humidity. So first, let's just look at maximum saturation at temperature. So first, if you're given a temperature such as 20 degrees Celsius, you would use the x-axis, then go up to the curve, then go across, and we would find that it's about 18 grams per cubic meter of water vapor in that air packet for that temperature. 30 degrees C would yield about 30 grams per cubic meter. About 3 grams, if you remember, is the mass of 1 penny. So let's take a look at relative humidity. So on a, let's say, 40-degree day, which would be really warm, the maximum amount of moisture that could be in the air for that day is 50 grams per cubic meter. But let's say that it is only 25% saturated. Remembering, the closer you're getting to 100, the greater chance of rain. The closer you get to 0, the less chance of rain. So for our 25% saturated air packet, we would take a look at 40 degrees, go up to the curve, then across. Again, if you're doing this on exam, you would be using a ruler. And we see that at 100% saturation, that it is 50 grams per meter cubed. And we want to find out what it would be for 25%. We would just multiply our value by 0.25. So 50 times 0.25 would give us 12.5 grams per meter cubed. So this means that if we think about it like a glass, is that our atmosphere glass here, that would be 100%. That would be 0%. Is that our glass is only 25% full. And that means that the atmosphere could hold a lot more moisture. And so that means that on that day, the chances of it raining is going to be relatively low.